Hey, this is Chris Hammond with chrisdoc.com. Welcome back to my training series. In this video, hopefully a brief one, I'm going to show you how you can go about installing Google Chrome, the web browser, on a Windows 10 machine. Now, I'm also going to show you how to set that as the default browser on your device. So I have the assumption that you already have Windows 10 installed and your computer is connected to the internet. So let me go ahead and switch over to my Windows 10 machine. This is a brand new install of Windows 10. The only thing I've done really is ran some Windows updates and changed the desktop background. Now I need to go ahead and open up a web browser. Now out of the box, Windows 10 comes with the Edge web browser. So I can go ahead and click on the Start menu, type on Edge, or type Edge in and choose the Microsoft Edge option. Now from there, I'm going to go ahead and load up Edge. And I'm just going to go ahead and close a couple of the tabs here just because I don't need to have any of the default links that that Edge is trying to go to. What I'm going to end up doing is go to chrome.google.com. So I can just type that into the URL here within the Edge browser. That's going to take us to the google.com installation page for Chrome. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the Download Chrome option. From there, I can go ahead and accept and install. Now I'm just going to simply uncheck the Help Google Make Chrome Better. Go ahead and click Accept and Install, and Edge will now try to download the installation file. Down at the bottom, I have a Run, a Save, or a Cancel option. I'm going to go ahead and just click on Run. And Windows will prompt me here in a moment, I believe, just to complete that installation process. So let's wait for that security scan to complete, and we should get a notification here from Windows. So we can see the little notification icon down at the bottom. If I go ahead and click on that, basically Windows is saying, hey, are you sure you want to go through with this? I'm going to go ahead and click on Yes, and that will allow for Chrome to complete the installation process. Now while I'm doing that, I'm actually going to go ahead and close Edge. I don't need Edge to be open anymore. And we'll wait for the installation to complete. So now that it's downloaded the files, it's going to go through the installation process. Once that is completed, we're going to have the ability to open Chrome. And I believe it will also prompt us to make Chrome the default browser. Now, Windows 10 made that more difficult. Chrome can't just do that for us. So what's going to end up happening once Chrome opens is it will take us to the Windows setting that we can use to make it our default browser. Now, in this case, when Chrome opens for the first time, it asks you if you want to go ahead and make Chrome your own. It's essentially going to ask you if you want to log in with your Google account. In my case, I'm not going to do that on this virtual machine. So I can either go ahead and just click Get Started or type in a URL within my browser. Now, what you'll notice is Chrome didn't actually prompt us to make it the default browser this time around. So something's changed in the installation process. If I go ahead and click on Skip on the Make Chrome My Own, now I get the Set as Default option available to me. So if I click on that button, what that's going to do is open up the settings within Windows 10. And on the settings, we're going to be able to choose that default browser. So we'll just wait for that to load. And we get the option here to choose an app for our default browser. I'm going to go ahead and choose Chrome. And then Windows is going to make us confirm that we actually want to do this. And it actually basically tries to sell you one more time on Microsoft Edge. I'm going to go ahead and click on Switch anyway. And we have now installed Google Chrome. And we've made it the default browser on this particular virtual machine, on this install of Windows 10. Now the final thing I like to do is I like to keep Chrome on my taskbar down here at the bottom. So what I do is go ahead and right click on the Chrome icon since we already had Chrome open. We're going to choose the Pin to Taskbar option. And what that's going to do is even if we close Chrome, that icon is available to us now. Go ahead and click on it and it will open Chrome back up for us. Now, the final thing I'm going to do, just because I like to have a clean desktop, is I'm going to go back to my desktop and delete the shortcut to Google Chrome. Now, I still have that shortcut there on my taskbar. So this has been a quick video from chrisdoc.com. Hope you enjoyed it. And subscribe or like down below.